In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the essential functions of manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or a newcomer setting up your first site, these steps will help you seamlessly enhance your website's appearance by adding images directly from your computer. Let's start by heading over to your Wix account setup page. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL provided for manage.wix.com. This is where you have all your site management tools consolidated, offering a bird's eye view of your website's performance. For this tutorial, we'll focus on enhancing the aesthetic elements of your site. Once you're comfortably logged in and familiar with the dashboard, let's move on to editing the visual components. Now you'll want to switch to the editor at editor.wix.com. Here you'll find an array of tools to customize your design. Locate and click on the Add Elements section, which is typically represented by a plus sign on the editor's sidebar. This option allows you to insert various design elements into your web pages, from text boxes and buttons to the critical component for today's guide, images. Once you're in the Add Elements menu, you'll need to upload images from your computer. This is a straightforward process. Click on Add Photos from your computer. Your File Explorer will open, allowing you to select the images you wish to feature on your site. Choose images that align with the message and branding of your website for the best visual impact. After selecting the photos, upload them into the Wix platform. After your images are uploaded, the next step is to integrate them into your web page effectively. Click on Add to Page to place your selected images onto the desired section of your site. This is where creativity comes into play. Consider the layout and impact your images have. Well-placed, high-quality visuals can significantly enhance the user experience and engagement on your site. Next, you'll specify the type of element you're adding. Select Image to ensure the platform applies the correct settings to your uploaded files. This step is crucial for maintaining image quality and performance, ensuring that your site runs smoothly without any lag. Finally, do not forget to save your work. It's as easy as clicking the Save button. Make this a regular habit, not just to prevent losing any changes, but also to consistently back up updates you've made. Even consider using the preview function to see how everything looks on the live site before finalizing everything. The tools at manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com provide powerful ways to personalize your website, making it not only functional, but also visually compelling. By using these steps, you're on your way to creating a stunning digital presence that resonates with your audience. Thanks for following along, and happy creating.